Good morning, dear students. Welcome in Ambuja Public School. I am welcoming you in English classes. Myself, Shobha Sharma, as your English subject teacher. Today's topic is sound of vowels, and its subtopic is long sound of vowels and short sound of vowels. So, dear students, as you know, there are alphabets in English for making sentence and words. I am going to read all these for you. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Are these all? These are total? No. Something remaining. A, E, I, O, and U. Now these all are alphabets in English. We can say there are 26 total alphabets or letters in English, and out of these 26, 5 are vowels A, E, I, O, U, and 21 are consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you understood about the alphabets. Now, as I told you that our today's topic is sound of vowels. So, I am going to tell you vowel sound. There are two types of sound each vowel is having. A, for example, A. Its long sound is A. Its short sound is A. Second, E. Its long sound is E. Its short sound is A. I. Its long sound is I. Its short sound is E. O. Its long sound is O and its short sound is O. U. Its long sound is U. Its short sound is A. In the long sound, we are stretching the letter, whereas in the short sound, we are not doing the same. I am going to tell you the definition or the explanation of what are long and short vowel sound. Long sound, a long vowel sound is one that is pronounced the same way as the vowel letter. Means it is the sound that is same as the letter itself. Whereas in short sound, a short vowel sound does not sound like the letter itself. It may be little different. Now I am going to give you examples of all the vowels. First of all, I am going to take vowel A. Long sound of A. Its examples are plate, cake. And short sound of vowel A, cat, bag. Long sound of E, B, key. Short sound of E, egg, bed. I am repeating. Long sound of E, B, key. In this sound we are stretching the letter, and in short sound we are not doing the same. Egg, bed. Next is vowel I. Ice cream, ice. Same as the letter. In short sound of I, ink, igloo. Long sound of O, old, co. Short sound of O, octopus, pot. Once again, long sound of O, old, co. Short sound of O, octopus, pot. Now we are on the last vowel. Long sound of U, glue, fruit. Same as the letter U. Sound is same as the letter you can heard. Short sound of U, tub, sun. I am repeating, glue, fruit for long sound of U and tub, sun for short sound of U. Now I am going to give you more examples of all these vowels. Cake, baby, rain, face, These all are examples of long sound of A. Apple, cat, X, bat. These all are examples of short sound of vowel A. I am repeating all these. Long sound vowels A's examples are cake, baby, rain and face. Whereas short sound vowel A's examples are apple, cat, X, bat. Now we are on E. E sound. Its long vowel sounds are examples are tree, bee, tea, peas. And its short vowel sound examples are bell, bat, net, X. I am repeating. Long sound tree, bee, tea, peas. Short sound bell, bat, net, X. Now we are on I. Ice cream. Pipe. 9. Kite. These all are examples of long vowel sound of I. Igloo. Pig. Milk and pin. These are examples of short vowel sound of I. I am repeating all these. Long I sound examples are ice cream, pipe, 9 and kite. Short vowel I examples are igloo, pig, milk, pin. Now we are on our fourth number vowel and it is vowel O. Its long sounds examples are boat, old, rose, snowman. And its short vowel sounds examples are octopus, dog, box, frog. Once again, long sound examples are boat, old, rose, snowman. And short vowel sounds examples are octopus, dog, box and frog. Now we are on our last vowel, that is U. Glue, fruit, blue, juice. These all are related to long vowel sound of U. Umbrella, plum, sun and bus. These all are related to short vowel sound of U. I am repeating all these. Long vowel U sound examples are blue, fruit, blue and juice. And short vowel sounds examples are umbrella, plum, sun and bus. I hope you understood the difference between long vowel sound and short vowel sound. Now I am going to summarize this topic. In long vowel sound same as the letter itself. Whereas the short vowel sound, it doesn't sound the same as the letter. In long vowel sound, we are stretching the letter sound. But in short vowel sound, we are not doing the same. That's all for today. Thank you.